Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to blur background in Filmora. If you editing the video using the Filmora 12 software, and you want to blur the background of your video, and you are confused how to do it, don't worry, I will be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open Filmora, and drag the video to Media section. After this, drag it twice on the timeline. Click on Effects. In Video Effects section, click on AI Portrait. Drag the human segmentation effect to the upper video. Now create a blank layer between the clips by dragging the upper layer above. Now, go to Effects section again and search for Blur. Choose the blur effect you want and place it to the empty layer. You can adjust this as well. Congratulations, you have blurred the background of the video. If you want to download Filmora, please check out the link in the description. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.